Let's go plant. At least get something in before Brooks gets done.
Kevin ain't gonna give it up very easily, but yeah, we're gonna see what we can do.
Yeah, it's been too rainy. We picked up 16 inches of rain roughly.
Right now, we sure are shaping up to having a pretty good crop.
Darn near every field has some sort of trial or multiple trials in it, thinking that, you know, the payback will be bigger.
What had happened was, it broke for Kevin with those red tractors and for Corey up there with those cats. Let's really hope that this works. I won't hear the end of it if it don't.
Do what we can do, control our controllables, and put the rest in Mother Nature's hand.